What is up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. I ended up taking a W on only my eval, so yeah, I'll go over the trade that I took. Here's the trade. And for my daily bias, I did have a bullish bias. We were this. Oh wait, no, fuck, wrong day. So yeah, I mean bullish bias still. What? Okay, so what are no pictures? But we had an inverse and forward fair up to the upside after respecting bullish ones. And dream scenario was longs from the forward fair up that we had, and also sweep of London lows. I did say that I didn't think that would happen before taking a buy side. Uh, but if we start going higher, then I will look for continuation long. So that is what I ended up looking for and what I ended up taking. So if we go here, uh, this is a forward fair value gap that I wanted us to see us trade towards and then long from there. We didn't really get it and we just started displacing higher. We also ended up inversing this hourly fair value gap right here. So we got the close right there. And as you can see, we got this close above this high, like super strong close, so that's like super bullish. And then we ended up opening up this 15-minute fair value gap. So I said, okay, bet I'll take longs from there. We did also end up getting an SMT here with this low. Something that was throwing me off was that ES was super close to this low, which was also a 4 over value gap. I mean the same one as this one. So I kind of wanted ES to also sweep this low. I guess we did later, but because we're super bullish, we don't really need to. And my main focus is on NQ, and everything that I needed to see happen already happened, which is the reason that I took it on my eval. But it was kind of throwing me off either way. I mean, and also the main reason that I didn't take this on my funded account was the a bit of this throwing me off, and it's the second time that it has happened. But I don't really need to base how do I how do I say this? I just gotta focus more on NQ and not as much on ES. So yeah, especially when we're super bullish or bearish and stuff. But yeah, we ended up trading to this 15-minute fair value gap, and then boom, we got this 2-minute inverse A plus setup. The only problem The only problem that we had is that if we go to a 3 minute, there was a 3 minute fair value gap right there. And that's fine with me, right? Like I ended up going break even on my eval right there. But the other problem, so I guess it wasn't the only problem. The other problem is that boom, another 5 minute. It did end up opening up a minute after we got the 2 minute inverse. So you can see we got the close at 10:20, 10:24. So it opened at 10:22 and it closed at 10:24. So that is a minute before the 5 minute opened up, and we did end up opening it up, and and that's why it was kind of like sketch about it. But yeah, also I should have had my take profit here, but I don't know why I wasn't like really too focused on this trade. So I had it like at a 1-to-1, and yeah, I ended up making like 600, 640. So yeah, it was an A plus long though, discretionally, and like kind of like everything that we need to see to take a trade. The only problem was the entry model. So yeah, I'm not really mad or like sad or whatever that I didn't take it on my funder because um I followed my rules, I guess, and I when I took it on my eval, I knew okay, this is a more discretional play, and I wanna practice discretional plays on my eval to gain confidence on them and stuff. So yeah, but if we hadn't opened up this 5 minute fair value gap, I probably would have taken this trade. But yeah, honestly, I'm not really sure because kind of yes was throwing me off with this low, but it shouldn't have been throwing me off, and it's the second time that it has happened where I focus way too much on ES, where my main focus should be on NQ. So yeah, and we also did have an SMT here with this low. So yeah, I did really think that we were gonna go to previous day high and also previous week high, but we didn't. We ended up going lower. So I think we're probably just gonna end up leaving that for tomorrow or one of these days of this week and stuff. So yeah. And then I just hopped off the charts because it was an honest Monday and I did not want to be on the charts once we took this. I mean, I got off at like around here, like 10:55. So yeah, because I knew if I took a continuation long from this 5 minute, like another continuation long off of that 5 minute, and it just wouldn't be as high probability. And if I lose, I would be mad at myself. So yeah, that is it for today. And yeah, peace out.